Welcome back to Wicked F150. So today I have both trucks here, pulling everything off the old one and putting it on the new one. Right now we're working on the bed because it's 1 o'clock and the heat's really getting up. But this one, the new one, the tailgate handle, it's all black. It's dirty, but it's all black. I'm not going to lift it right now. I want the white, so I'm going to swap the handles. They're the same thing. There's no difference except for the color. Now, that's the one from the old one when I already removed that, but I'm going to show you how to remove that. So if you want to get in here with a step, the 2 bolts you need to remove are right here. They're both 10 millimeter. On the tailgate without the step, you have to pull this panel off and they're underneath here. We'll go back and look at that. But you do have to remove this panel, which is T25, the star bits for bolts. There's 8 of them that you need to remove to take this little panel off. You can see it right there. But you pull that off, and like I said, 10 millimeter. Let's go ahead and do this. These are super, super simple. And you just pull it off. Second one, and now you come in here. Once those 2 bolts are removed, you come in here and squeeze this little clip here to undo the lever. Push it down. Now, actually, I need to move these. Okay. Close this, pry down from the top. And then that's out. It has 2 clips in here on the bottom piece. Pull it out. And there you go. And you undo your clips. And you're done. So let's go over to the old one. So the same 2 plugs. Plug them back in. Shove the wires back down the little grooves. Up. Okay. So this top piece, get it in first. You don't have to do that. You can just move this and it would have put the gate down. But good to go. No issues with it. Okay, put the other one. Here. Same thing. Plug the wires back in. Put them in the little holder here so it's not messy. This one down in there. Clip. Clip. Good to go. Now that you saw me do from that side, now you just go ahead, take this clip, put it back up. Good to go. Now, yes, I'm taking the dampener from the other one, but that's it. But of course, that's just making it work. You still have to make sure you go ahead and put your nuts back on both, well, I gotta put it back on both. But if you ordered a new one or anything like that, just make sure you put your bolts back on and tighten them up. Tell me that doesn't look better. Somehow I got but all done. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you found that it was helpful because I was unaware until I just tore it apart. So don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Have a good weekend.